Hey friends, this tuna salad spread is low in carbs, packed with protein and super easy to make. Plus, you probably have everything you need already in your fridge. Let's get started. Start with 2 hard-boiled eggs and mash them up with the pork. Add 160 grams of canned tuna, drained. Now toss in 100 grams of minced pickles. I'm using a mix of what I had in the fridge, but pickled one gives so much more flavor than a raw cucumber, so I highly recommend you to go for pickles. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer pickled or fresh cucumbers in your tuna salad? I am team pickled all the way. And hey, rumor has it even Matthew McConaughey is a fan of a tuna salad, so we are in a good company, guys. Grate in 40 grams of diet cheese, any light cheese you like. Then for the dressing, 20 grams of plain Greek yogurt and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper and mix all together. You can literally eat it straight from the bowl with a spoon like a salad, no judgment, I do it too. Or you can turn it into a proper meal. Use it as a filling for wraps or lettuce bowls, or my favorite one is my homemade protein bagels. Yes, my go-to bagel recipe is linked in the description. It's less than 150 calories and over 15 grams of protein per piece. You're welcome, it's a brilliant recipe. And so I will assemble everything. I will add a handful of greens and cherry tomatoes on the side. So when it comes to the greens, arugula is my go-to. That peppery bite, it pairs perfectly with the creamy tuna taste. I love it a lot, and it's great for antioxidants, for your gut health, and for the color, of course. So this recipe is perfect for busy days, some lazy dinners, or when you're just trying to hit your protein goals without cooking like forever. I have this salad in my fridge. It's like 4 or 5 servings and it's really good. So go ahead, mix up a big bowl, meal prep for a few lunches, or keep it in the fridge for snack emergencies. Hit like if you love easy high protein meals and see you in the next one. Bye!